Well, good morning, folks. A lot of news this week and some rumors overnight about Joe Biden, but we're going to focus on natural gas this morning in this very quick video. I did a live stream yesterday, and I'm going to link that to the end of this video. We covered a whole bunch of different instruments, commodities, stocks, metals, and so on. But today I just want to cover natural gas and have a look at what we've got, because it's moving again. And I normally do these videos when natural gas gets moving. So let's have a look at the 4-hour chart on Pepperstone. This is the spot price, and this is a general picture of where we've got this long downward channel that we broke out of, bounced along the top, broke back in briefly, made a new low, and then we've moved up from there. Now, we've broken out of that sort of sharper channel, but there's another channel that we're approaching from underneath now, and it's also where the 100-period moving average is. This has been very, very constructive. We had a big rally yesterday, and we didn't pull back at all. Very, very little. And we're just pushing up, and there's a lot of strength in this rally, a lot of determination. The way this looks is that we are going to break through this 100-period up to the channel center. That would take us to 2.35, and then the channel top at about 2.5, 2.46. Notice that the 200-period moving average is here as well at 2.5 exactly today. So that's the 4-hour chart at Pepperstone. That's the spot price. Let's have a look at the Henry Hub futures. And I trade both the spot price and the futures price. I trade the futures at Black Bull. There's a link below if you want to get the free TradingView charts with Black Bull. And while I'm talking about that, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to this channel, I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. We're 90.3% of the way, and your subscription, it's free, will really help. Thanks so much. Now back to this chart on natural gas on the Henry Hub futures, and this is where we are. Big rally yesterday, but notice we're also at the 100-period moving average. This is the day chart on the Henry Hub. There's the 100-period, there's the 20. The 20 period's above the 100, but it's below the 200 and below the 50. So we've got the makings of a partial moving average cross. I don't really use those much for my own trading, but if you're interested in that, you can check that out. So we're in some profit on our trades now and just pushing up against this 100. And then remember the 20 periods up here at about 2.34 and the 200s at about 2.43, just below 2.5. Now those numbers might seem familiar to you. If we go back to the 4-hour chart on the spot price, you'll see that we've got very similar numbers. We're at 2.22 right now. The center of the channel is at 2.35 and the top of the channel and the 200 is closer to 2.5, which coincides or is in confluence with the day chart. And that's what we always want to see. So on the day chart, you can see the same sorts of levels denoted by different moving averages, but similar levels. If I zoom into the 4-hour chart here on the futures at Black Bull Brokers, you'll see a similar sort of picture. In this event, we've broken above the 50, the 20 is way below us, but we've got the 100 just above us. Right, switching back to the day chart on the futures, looking good, and the 4-hour also looking really good. As I said, that's pushing up with determination. It's not pulling back. It's sort of a shutout. No one's being let back into this trade. Everyone was incredibly bearish when we broke down through the support level, and those bears and bear trades, short trades, now have to be unwound in this sort of short squeeze. So the market is not letting those shorts cover their positions at break even, and it's not allowing new buyers back in at this point. I'm not ruling out another dip down into this block here and these moving averages, as you saw on my tweet this morning, and I'll put that up quickly for you now. This is the tweet. We made lower highs all the way down, made a new low there, and now we need to make a higher low in order for this to be confirmed as an uptrend. We've been tracking this on X actually right from the beginning of this move, right from the bottom, if you've been following me on there. If you're not, you should do, and you can see all the posts we've been putting up there as this trade has progressed. Have a great trading day. I'll see you in the next video. I'd love your subscription, and see you in the next one. Take care.